In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing small tasks or large customer projects, QuickBooks allows you to not only track expenses and revenues effortlessly, but also make organized, well-informed business decisions. Let's walk through the entire process of setting up a new project so that you can maximize the potential of this powerful tool. To begin, go ahead and open your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the left side panel where you will see various options. Find and click on Projects. This will take you to the Projects page, which is the central hub for managing all your project activities. Next, you're going to want to either start a new project or create one from scratch by clicking on Start a Project or New Project. You'll see a pop-up window where you can start filling in the essential details. The first thing you need to do is name the project. Think of a clear and descriptive name that will allow you and anyone else involved to easily identify what the project is about. After naming the project, the next step is to select the customer associated with it. You'll find a drop-down menu or a similar option where you can choose from your existing list of customers. This linkage is crucial as it ensures the project's transactions are accurately assigned and tracked. Following that, decide on the start and end dates for your project. These dates are important as they help with planning and scheduling. They provide you with a defined time frame, allowing you to monitor the project's progress more effectively. Once you've set the dates, it's time to select a project status. This could be anything from not started to in progress or completed, depending on where you are in your project's life cycle. Having a defined status helps in quickly understanding the current state of your project at any given time. Finally, add any notes or reminders related to the project. This is your space to put down key information or special instructions that anyone accessing the project should be aware of. It could be anything from deadlines to important contacts or specific deliverables to keep an eye on. Now that you've filled in all the necessary fields, don't forget the most crucial step. Click Save. This action stores all your provided information, officially setting up your project within QuickBooks. You'll now be able to view this project on your Projects page. While there is no information on the project yet, don't worry. As you start recording transactions like estimates and invoices against this project, more details will populate automatically. And there you have it. Your project is successfully set up in QuickBooks Online. It's really that straightforward, and you're all set to start managing your project details more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.